Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to delete your college information from your Facebook page. Follow these simple steps to update your profile. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Pages. Next, switch to your desired page by tapping on the down arrow next to your profile photo. Choose the specific page you want to switch to and tap on it. Now, tap on your page's profile picture to access the profile settings. Click on the Edit icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the About section and tap on Edit Your About Info at the bottom of the page. Under the Education section, locate your college and tap the pencil icon next to it. Select Delete School and confirm your action to remove the college information from your profile. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily update your Facebook page by deleting your college details. Keep your profile information up to date and relevant with these simple instructions.